In today's video, I will teach you the strategy that you can make money online with the help of artificial intelligence. Just do it step by step with me. Step number 1 is to log on to became.by, a platform that allows you to create your own magnets and ebooks for absolutely free, and will show you how to do it. Create a completely free account and then log into your account. You can see your dashboard here and you can start creating lead magnets. Note you can only create one lead magnet for a free account. So what you have to do is go to the dashboard and you can click on create a new lead magnet, and that lead magnet is going to be an ebook. So you click on the ebook and then you can choose one of these templates that you are placed to choose. The book talks about finance and saving money. I'm going to type save money and click on create a lead magnet. Now we start working on our ebook. You can customize the title, change the subheading. Of course, you can write your own ebook. You can insert ebook tasks. You've got the introduction, you've got the chapters and all of that, and you've got a CTA, so you can add your code to the action. And actually you can drag and drop and you can add buttons to your book. So I can add the button here, and that button can take people to a specific affiliate link or other link to actually get some content for your ebook. Find something you can easily do. What you can do is simply go to you.com, which is very similar to Google, but it's a real AI tool which allows you to do a lot of different things, and you can have a great chat here. Click and it's like a chatbot where you can ask it to write different paragraphs for you. So I asked it to prepare for me 5 types to save money without much effort. As you can see, it gives us different points. Of course, you can ask for more explanation. So you can have whole paragraphs of this, and once you're done, you and copy it now. But if you want to make sure you don't run into copyright issue, you can copy any paragraph by paragraph, and you can use this tool called Quillbot, and this is a free bot that will rewrite the text for you. So you can paste it here and click on this button, and it will now be rewritten into different words, and this will be 100% original content that you will be allowed to use in your ebook without any problems. So you can copy that and then you can go back to Became and you can start writing chapters like that. So I'll paste the paragraph and the chapter title will be the first type. So I'm just going to type in type number 1. You can customize the colors and you can customize the file and everything. The button should actually last. People on the offer you want to advertise. The first thing you can do is simply go to cpagrip.com. It's a CPA network, which means you can get paid when someone complete a guide. A specific action in most case means that people have to actually buy something. They just have to submit their email address. Click on my suggestion on the left side and then you can choose the country. Then you can find this different giveaway where you get paid $2 when some people check their mail and respond. For example, it's an Amazon gift card. If someone submits an address, you get paid so you can copy a link that takes people to their particular sale. Then you can click a button. Then that button it takes you to your referral link. So they put the link here and the button text says click here. If anyone reading this book is talking about how to save money, it's talking about financial issue, especially because it's free and you can save it and you'll almost have your first chapter. This will be the first one. Now we can go to the second and the third and so on, and design our entire book, publish it with a push a button, and you can download it as a PDF document. So now you want to have a PDF book article created. There include your buttons and your referral link inside the book itself. At this point, you should go to the slideshare.net. Here they share articles and PDF books, and you can also have a valuable book about saving money or finance or anything else, and then you can share that. You can just create a free account and you can click upload and you can share your document after uploading. You can click on the image of the tool for more clicks. It allows you to create image from it. The image look a little weird, but it's great because it actually draw attention. Now I can download this image and have it on my computer. Now you can share this image on Pinterest, which has hundreds of millions of visitors every month. And now you can say that this is a free book and how to save money or how to make money for whatever book it's about. You can write a brand description about it. I recommend you share it on other social media platform, like it completely free. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.